Welcome back to Random Fixes and Restorations. In today's video I'm going to show you what's the problem with this mixer, juice press, I guess it's called, or whatever, what's the problem with this thing is and how to fix it. Okay, so first I'm going to show you what the actual problem is. So the problem is basically, I discovered the last time when I used it. That's actually working a bit better. But yeah, after a while, while you're pressing while you're juicing, like last time oranges, I discovered it has a problem. Like towards the end, it starts like to stall, and just while you're pushing, basically while you push down on the mechanism here, and it kind of starts to stall here, and seems like it's something like a simple issue, like probably it needs to be greased up or something. So well, time to unplug it first and take it apart. Yep, the first thing I notice, most of the rubber things here are missing. I actually have a plan for that. Replace those. I've got some of those, because I'll put some of those on after I've prepared it instead of this here. So first problem I noticed the last time when I checked it is security screw, but I actually noticed I have that screwdriver. Okay, first screw. Okay. Wow. I didn't expect it that it's that simple. Mechanism. Well. Yeah, I already see a couple of things like the spring down there. It probably needs some cleaning and some greasing up. And before you ask, that's the first time I'm taking something like that apart. So it's out of the hand mixer. Oh yeah. What's that? Okay. Should put that back in afterwards. Yeah, that screw's kind of stuck, but who cares? It's not a problem right now. Good. Let's see. How could I actually even take this? Oh. Wasn't that supposed to? Oh, I see already something. Can you see this? Yeah, okay, there's some grease on that plate. And oh yeah, look. It's the contact spot. It kinda, not sure if you can see it, but it's kinda scorched a bit. Yeah. That would be actually an easy fix. Just need to sand it a bit down or use some contact cleaner. That should. But elsewise, the mechanism looks pretty good. How did it go in again? Oh yeah, this way, okay. Yep. And here we've got some grease. Nice on my finger. Good. Let's see. It's screwdriver. Good. See this out. And yeah, it looks really like only the contact plate here is a little bit. Where else the spring? No. It's quite amazing what a simple mechanism it is. Yep. Yeah, most people would be like, hey, that thing isn't worth it, like, to repair, but what can I say? It's kind of like one of my hobbies. Also, if you can repair it, why not? Also, it's pretty interesting to take something like that apart and only just to see how it's working. Always makes me smile. So let's see. Okay, this thing is kind of, guess I won't mess with that. Also, or, oops. I might clean off the grease, but actually I guess I should keep that grease on and just add some new. Yeah, because that grease looks fairly decent. It's not black or something. It's also so feels pretty decent. So yeah, that will be probably a pretty easy fix. Also pretty interesting type of motor this is. I haven't seen one of those yet. Like really, that's interesting. I know I'm not forcing it like too much. I'm just holding it and just slowly pressing on it. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Pretty cool. Well, just using some contact spray for it. Brake cleaner. I just want to clean off like that one bit here, because this one is a little bit too dirty. Hold on a second. Is this so? Nah, that's not supposed to be greasy. For a moment I was like, hey, is that supposed to be greasy? No, it's not. It's only supposed to be the gear. Also, the rest here is also pretty greasy, which it actually shouldn't be, except for the spring. Let's see. I actually had that with a mixer, like a shaker of mine, that the contact plate was like on a switch. It was kind of a bit scorched. Clean this part a bit. Yeah, actually, it's hard to see for you, but it seems like it's starting to get off. You see, it's way less scorching. Also, yeah, it's a bit stupid because it's just right in the shadow here. Yeah, it's actually a bit. Have to get in here. Yeah, looks a lot better. Yeah, the other side here. Oh yeah, it's actually clean up so far. That's good. That's good. Well, it's a bit hard to like hold it here and it just goes through it. Also, I don't want to take it further apart because the rest seems to be alright. Just the contact plate here again. I literally just almost lost it because this spring just fell out. Oof. Well, at least it's out now and here on the table. Now you can see it. Scorch mark's almost gone. This is also what's like through it, if it's clean or not, but like here without it, like I can't see it. It's pretty clean, which is nice. So let's give it a spraying here. Good. Yeah, it was actually a pretty easy fix so far. Let's see. I hope I can get it on camera. Like, yep, it's clean so far. Good. Let's put back in the spring. Good, the next step would be adding some grease, but also not too much. This gear here, that one here, and that one there. So this is a little fun fact. I've got a few syringes here only with different types of oil. Same with the grease. Why? Because it's easy. So, let's see. Let's clean this thing. I was going to use some window cleaner. Yep, one of my go-to things, but hey, it gets the job done, so. Looks pretty nice, to be honest. Except for like some scrapes there, but elsewise looks pretty nice. Good. So setting that one aside. Time to clean this one. Good, I gotta say, it looks pretty much like new. So, good, time to put this thing back together. So, it was like this. Right. Yep, this. Ah, yes. Now it's in. Good. Ah, yes, I see it. It's like this. Okay. Good. I got an idea. Before I put in the last screw, I'm going to test it. sometimes. But also it feels a little bit stronger. Yep. Unplugged it again. Let's put in the last screw. No, I forgot that sticker. Well, I don't need that one anyways. Because on the underside I discovered there's basically the same one. So don't need that. Spray it with this contact cleaner. That's actually working a bit better. It's actually pretty good. Okay, I just noticed something. Seems like I gotta change one little thing down there. I guess I gotta put this one here and that one there. Seems like it works. Anyways, that's pretty much it. How to fix like a problem like that, which is in a lot of cases just a little bit of a contact issue. So yeah, just remember this, like problems similar to that are also in a lot of other devices and are actually pretty easy to fix. So just look out for something like that, like scorch marks at a contact plate like that. And also like to grease up some gears, give it a little clean up, and yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much it. See you all next time on Random Fixes and Restorations.